Hello, how do you do your swing trading daily chart analysis for upward large cap stocks if you are using long option line swing trading strategy? We are going to analyze three stocks in this video, and the first one is MA. You will use maximum daily chart, or 1 year daily chart for your chart analysis, but I'm going to use maximum daily chart so that we can see all our trend line or support lines if they are lower than where the price is. For MA, while the market was open on March 13, 2025, the price went down that day, yesterday. And the red bar, in fact, we have multiple days of pullback. So a red bar or a pullback means the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning, and a green bar means the price in the morning, the price at the end of the day was higher than the price in the morning. The price went up that day, and for the red bar, the price dropped that day. The evening price was lower than the morning price. The price dropped. So we like to buy MA at the trend lines that we color in purple, but it is not quite close to it yet. It's below 1, but it's not, because it's well below this one. We cannot consider this one at this moment, but we are going to consider this one, and it's still far from it. Therefore, we are not going to buy it. The next one is MANH. So pretty much you compare where the price is to where you want to buy your entry point. For long option swing trading strategy, that is your support lines or your uptrend lines, because we are trading upward stocks. So when you are trading upward stocks, your support line will be when they are touching the lows, will be uptrending as well. So uptrend lines, MANH. So MANH, the price is below both lines that we like to buy at. We are going to continue observing it, and because it's close to where we want to buy it, we can zoom. Yesterday the price dropped as well, but you can see that it continued to make lower lows. So we are just going to continue observing it, because it's at the trend line. When it start making higher lows, that could be a sign that it's done going down. Therefore, after 2 or so higher lows, we can buy at the first or second green bar that follow a pullback. But before you buy, it's good when you are doing your swing trading analysis, chart analysis, to compare where you want to buy to a previous time around that area, to see if the price linger there for a while before moving up. That gives you time, to wait on it. And at the same time, once you buy it, you can start comparing where the price is to where you want to sell it, which in this case will be the next exit. And before you sell it, you'll compare the previous high to see after it reached that high if it dropped from there, or if it made multiple highs. You can see that the previous high was one here. So when it touched base with the trend line and start going up, it made multiple highs. It'll pull back a little bit, not low, but pull back a little bit and reach a new high, and so forth. So maybe when you reach the first new high, you might want to stay in a little bit longer, because it's going to reach few before start going down. So you can stay in for a few highs, and then you lock in some profits. Not stay in for all the profits, but stay in for some profits. Buying it at the trend line at the valley when it start going up will allow you to lock in quite a bit of profit by the time you want to exit at the next new high. So the last one we'll analyze in this will be MAR, and this one, since it's at the trend line, we color it in blue to keep an eye on it, but again it's not ready for purchase yet. So MAR, we like to buy at this trend line, and it's coming down to this trend line, but it's not quite close yet. Therefore, we are just going to keep observing it. But it's getting close, and yesterday the price went down as well. It's a red bar. You can see it's making a lot of lower lows. This low is lower than this one, which is lower than this one, and so forth. So this concludes how you can do your swing trading chart analysis of stocks on your in your watch list to see if any is well positioned for you to buy some share, or if you already purchased some you have in your portfolio, if any has a good amount of profits in it for you to sell when the markets open. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiabi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and ninasoap.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just that small, even with one share, with long option and swing trading strategy. If you buy at the valley and you want to sell at the next high, you can see for 237 a share, and selling it around 300, you can see how much profit you accumulate in one share. That's that's a good amount of profit per share. You just start small to keep practicing the strategy you are using and get familiar with the strategy and customize it to your liking to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance. And even that's $100 per trade, if that's good enough to meet the requirement to open a brokerage account with your brokerage firm, or to open a Roth IRA with your brokerage firm if you have a job, or $200 per trade, whichever is enough to open your brokerage account and is enough to buy one share of stocks, is good enough for you to start swing trading. Start small. If you make $1 profits, you lock it in. Well, that increase your account by $1. Will give you more encouragement to save more of your money and put in the account, and to keep analyzing the chart and keep buying stocks as they are well positioned for you to buy, even that's one share. And once you master the strategy you are using and you feel like the stocks you are trading, they are well suited for the strategy you are using, you can little by little start increasing the number of shares you are purchasing or the amount you are allocating per trade, to just start scaling your profit from there. It's all about pick good stocks to swing trade. Choose a good strategy that you are comfortable using to swing trade, and if it's working for one share, to scale it to increase your profit, you just have to increase the number of shares you are buying. And it's good to work within a certain amount in relation to your account value, so you don't put all your money in one stock. And if you are swing trading stocks that are good to invest in long term, if you buy and it becomes negative, the price went down, you just keep it in your portfolio until it becomes positive again for you to sell. And you just learn from it, and you know what area you bought it, to know to learn from it, not to buy it that high again, and just keep fine-tuning the strategy you are using. if you are looking for some tips on how to create your own watch list to swing trade from, will you please check the playlist in the description for in the video description, the playlist related to watch lists. And we do have some videos that we publish or we recorded, we are publishing, we are not done publishing, related to some playlists that we have in the description as well. We have quite a bit of series for swing trading to help you understand how to put those stocks through some filters to select stocks for your swing trading, and at the end of the year, how to go through your list to see the stocks that didn't behave well with the strategy you are using, to take them out and go to your longer list of stocks that go to swing trade, to pull the one that you didn't trade during the year to replace the one you took out. That way you have a list that you can analyze on a daily basis within 1 hour, and over time you have curated that list to be a good stocks that you are comfortable trading using the strategy you are using, and you just go to that library of stocks to swing trade. You just analyze them on a daily basis, and we have tips on how we select those stocks for 2025 watch list. And we have another series that we are recording, and once we are done publishing this one, we'll start publishing this one as well, to pretty much show you all the filters, one stock at a time, that if you come across a stock, you can pull the stocks through those filters to see if the stock is good for you to add to your watch list. But again, it's going to be in relation to the strategy that we are using to swing trade, which is up to long swing trading strategy. Thank you so much for your time. Do you swing trade? Which strategy do you use? Will you please share your experience with us in the comments?